We're here on a 2014 Infiniti QX60. We just installed this awesome Hamilton Motor Company upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. In this video, we're going to show you how to pair your phone and set up CarPlay. When you get in your car and turn it on, you'll either come to a page that looks like this, or you'll come to your factory system that looks like this. Toggling between your factory system and the Hamilton system will be done either by holding the back button for 3 seconds here, or you can long hold the speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds to switch between the original and new systems. Once in the new Hamilton system, you're going to open up Settings, Bluetooth, and you're going to look for a new Bluetooth device that starts with Hamilton. Click on it. When a pairing code pops up on your phone, click Pair. Allow to Favorites and Contacts. And if you get a prompt that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. We just opened CarPlay. Now that you know how to set up CarPlay, I'll walk you through the features briefly. This system is fully touchscreen. It also works with your original Infiniti knob. You can use the knob to scroll through all of your apps, and pressing Enter will select. Coming to Settings here, you can change the wallpaper. Clicking back briefly will take you back to the original homepage. In another video, we're going to walk you through all of the features of CarPlay. Of course, if you shift into reverse, your original reverse camera and 360 camera work just fine. Back to park will bring you right back to CarPlay. Even if you click your camera button, your 360 and reverse cameras will come up, and you can come right back to CarPlay. This feels like a factory feature, and it's awesome. It's completely game-changing for your Infiniti. Long holding this back button for 3 seconds, we have one more important thing you need to know. Our system plays audio via your aux mode. You want to select aux to make sure you're in aux mode. Our system has grabbed your aux line from behind the factory radio. When you put the vehicle into aux mode, you'll be given an option here for volume setting. Make sure it is set to medium. That is the correct volume setting for the Hamilton system. While you're playing audio in CarPlay, your system needs to be set to aux mode. You're going to have your phone paired only to the new Hamilton Bluetooth through CarPlay. Forget the original Bluetooth network, and make sure your system is in aux mode to play audio. Of course, you can also have CarPlay showing while you listen to XM, FM, or AM radio, but if you want to play audio through CarPlay, you do need to make sure that you are in aux mode. If you have any questions about the installation, we have a full installation video. You can also give us a call at 919-858-2890. Check out our other video that shows you through the features of this kit. Thanks for watching.